Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I'm so happy that you've joined me. Today is hashtag #TagMeTuesday, but first let's have our shout out to Debbie, Lollagamma, Connie, Rebel, Judy, Roxanne, Karen Beth, Dawn, Mags, Natalie, Carolyn, Susan, and Karen. I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, today we're going to make accordion fold pockets with tags. So what we'll want to do is we'll want to get some cardstock. Now I have been coffee dyeing the back of my cardstock, and I know that a lot of you don't have an laser jet printer, so you're not able to do that. So I thought, well, let's just make a piece of ephemera and not coffee dye it. And this beautiful piece of paper came out of this paper pad right here. Distressed Floral, the Paper Studio. All right, so now let's just get to our project. So what we'll want to do is we'll want to take our cardstock and we want to fold it about 4 inches. You can fold it 3.5. You can fold it wider than 4, but I am folding this one at 4. So let's go ahead and let's give this a trim, just like this. Okay, and next what we want to do is we're going to want to mark every 4 inches. So here and here. All right, because it's obviously 12 inches long. We're going to bring in the little guillotine right here, and we're going to cut it right here, and then we're going to cut it right here. Then we're going to check to see, because I've been doing this and one is always a little longer. Yes, it's a little longer on this one too. So we're going to trim it so they're all the same size. So one more time, we're going to trim this, just like that. All right, so now we have our papers and they look like this. Now this paper actually has an upside, what I think is an upside and a downside. And I am going to kind of check what I want right here. I'm going to use this side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my corner rounder and I'm going to round the corners on all four. All 4 corners I'm going to round. Now the example that I have to show you, I did sew. So this one I'm not going to sew, so that way you can see what the difference is. So round all 4 corners of these, and then let's find the center, and let's go ahead and take our 1/2 inch punch and let's punch a little notch right out of the top. Alrighty, so now with our remainder paper that we have, let's go ahead and let's make some tags. Now you can make tags out of different paper if you want. I just thought it would just be easy and simple if we use the same paper. So I'm just going to mark this right here, and it's about 3 inches is what this is. So let's do another one, and then we're going to need to do one more, because these are going to be the tags that go inside of our pockets. So let's bring our guillotine back, and let's put this in here. And let's go ahead and cut that one, and then let's cut this one, and then let's cut our last one. So we pretty much used up our paper, pretty much. So next what I want to do is I want to ink around all of these, and I'm going to ink around all of these. So actually I have done that, so let's just pull this over. I've got to think, and I don't think I did my tags. No, I didn't do the tags, but they're in here. So let's go ahead and let's seal this. So we're going to have to put glue down 3 sides. So I'm just going to get my Tombow glue, and let's just apply our glue and get this taken care of so it has a chance to dry. So I'm just going to use a few little, let's see here, I'm reaching for my paper clips so that I can keep this closed so that it will seal while we are gluing the other ones. Okay, set that aside. So let's do this one. So what is hashtag #TagMeTuesday? I have a Facebook group. Now you guys, you have to agree on the rules of the group or I cannot accept you. They're simple rules. Everybody nice to each other and there's no selling. That's all there is. Everybody be nice and no selling. Those are the rules. So if you can't agree on those rules, then we can't play with you. So it's pretty basic. So all you have to do is agree to those rules and you'll be in the group, and then you're able to see other people's what they have made in the, oh, let's just do this a little bit more, what they've made, their version of hashtag #TagMeTuesday. So let's just say someone makes their version of this little craft that we're doing this Tuesday. They're able to post it so everybody can see what it looks like. And believe me, everybody's style comes through. And you can tell that they're all, even though they're the same thing, they're all different. And it's really a lot of fun to see everybody's take on a project. So I invite you to join. The link is down below. Okay, so we've got that done. Now let's switch ourselves over to our tags while those sit there for just a moment and glue themselves shut. So we want to go ahead and bring in our corner rounder and we're going to round the corners of our 3 tags right here. I'll do it very quickly. Actually, I will do this, I'll ink around them, and I'll come back. You don't need to see me do this. You know how to do this. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and take our paper clips off, and we will proceed with our little project here. I really like it because it has a little bit of a twist to it. So now we have our tags, and hopefully they go in here nicely. Let me see here. Not too bad. They stick out just a little bit. That's all right because we're going to put a tab on the top. I think this paper is so pretty. Oh yeah, that's going to work absolutely beautifully. Now, what we'll want to do is I am going to bring in, that has coffee dyed on the back, I'm going to bring in some, oh, for heaven's sakes, I thought I'd already done this. Here's my box of my scraps for my cardstock. See, it's kind of full. My other stock is way down, but this one's kind of up. It's getting full. I like that with this, and I don't think that's coffee dyed on the back. So, let me see. No, it's not. So good. So, I'm going to bring in my tab punch, and I am going to punch some tabs here. So, let's see. I'm going to go this way. So, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I know some people say, well, why don't you fold them in half? First of all, sometimes I like to get certain things punched out. This one not so much, but I hate to tell you guys that I get kind of confused when I have to do that. So I don't do it, especially on camera when I have to, you know, not be getting confused. So let's go ahead and ink these up very quickly on both sides. And need a little more ink on our little dauber here. Put these together. There we go. It's going much faster now with ink on there. Much faster. Just 2 more to go. And then we're going to put them on the top of our tags. Now, let's decide this one. Do we want it to be that side or this. I like it this way better. So I am just going to, I'm actually going to use my hot glue. I've never put a tag on with hot glue before, but we're going to try it. There we go. And let's do it right here too. Whoa. Okay, that worked. I thought maybe it would get too hard too fast, but that worked just fine. Okay, just going to ink up just a little bit there. Now we need to do this next one. So we're going to find what we like it to be. I kind of like it to be that way. So let's just go ahead and put this on just like that. I use the hot glue because it just makes it quick and easy for the videos, but it is not forgiving. Once you put something, place something down, then it is stuck. So if you want to switch and use hot glue, it is faster, but it is unforgiving. So do keep that in mind. Do I want it this way? Nope, I like it that way. So let's just get this on here just like this. And then I'm going to show you the little twist that makes this little craft so cute and so adorable in a journal. Or I know a lot of you send out happy mail. That would be so cute in happy mail too. So this is the little twist on that. Is what you want to do is get a little piece of fabric. Now I just grabbed this. I probably have a piece somewhere, but I just grabbed this. So we're going to want to cut a strip. So I'm just going to actually cut this like this, just for the sake of not having this great big old piece here. And we're going to cut strips. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to need 4 strips, just like that. And we are going to need, or you don't have to if you don't like to do this, but I like to fray it just a little bit. So I'm just going to quickly fray this. And then get this frayed. I'm going to lay these out in the order that you want them. I think I want them in this order right here. And I need to finish fraying. So let me finish fraying and I'll jump right back on and show you exactly what we're doing here. Just 1 second. All right, you guys, so I have my strips and they're all ready to go. So I am going to line these up because I want this one to be first and then second and then third. And let's just go ahead and add some glue right here, right across from each other. We're going to lay this right on top of the glue. So if we're using our material as the hinge. So let's lay this right on here like this. I love these. Oh, I just think these are so cute. So here we go again. Now you could make these smaller. These are kind of long strips. You could make them whatever size you want. You could use lace. Lace would be fun too. So whatever you want to make your hinges out of, that would be great. And if you don't have any fabric, go ahead and use some material. That's fine too. All right, you guys. Now let's go ahead and think about what do we want to maybe decorate these with. I have flowers on there. I do have some mushrooms. That's kind of a pretty color, don't you think? I think that is a very pretty color. So let's see here if we have enough of this pretty color. How about if we put this in here like that? All right, you guys, so I thought maybe mushrooms might be really sweet on here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to decorate the front of these little pockets. And I'm just inking up the little mushrooms and the labels. So let's get this done very quickly. And so I can show you my others that I've made. And we can get this taken care of. I'm so excited to see all of your takes on these little, what did we call these? Accordion fold pockets with tags. I'm really interested to see what everyone's take is. I do invite you to share your creations with us. I love to see them, and they all are so different. So I'm just going to get this down quickly. I hear my dogs fussing. They want to go outside. So it's very hot here, you guys. I wonder if is it hot where you guys are? Whew, it is so hot here. Okay, here we go. So cute, right? I love these. Now, I'll lift this up so you can see them, and they go together just like that. Oh my goodness, you guys, is that not the cutest thing ever? That is so cute. Now you can always decorate your little tags as well. They're so cute, and you can make them out of different colors too. Here's one that I made here. Now this is out of the same paper pad, and I decorated them with butterflies and flowers and labels. Oh my goodness, you guys, I surely hope that you have enjoyed this video, and if you have, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.